So, guys, just make sure that you are on mute while I'm speaking. Okay.
You just record the just make voice recording, not the video recording.
Sorry.
Just record the voice. Why do you have to record the entire video?
No, I'm actually screen recording. There's no option of recording the voice or something like that. Like I can do that in my phone, but like why? It's okay. Like I'll record the screen recording. I'm starting with the screen recording. So the uh, um good morning. Greetings of the day. Like
That's okay. Even if it's afternoon, you can start with a good morning. That's not a problem.
okay. So good morning, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen, and let me come to the topic directly. So the topic of the today that we are discussing today is like the extension of legal marriage age for women from 18 to 21. So let's start with discussing both the pro and cons of this. Like let's start with the pro and cons. So the pro is like earlier there was law which was legalizing the legal marriage age for men was 21, and and for women it was 18 years. So basically what it shows, like uh, girls are mature early. So like it was tendency in our society that girls get mature early, so they can be get married at 18, and boys get little late boys get the maturity little late, so they get married at 21. But now the law came into effect, and it got acceptance from our president also. Like so it is officially a law that the legal marriage age for both men and women is will be 21 years. And somewhere down the line it is a move, the intention of this law to empower is to empower the women. But I don't think, in my personal view, I don't think that this would be good enough to empower the women. Like the lawmakers are arguing that by increasing the legal marriage age to 21 for both men and women, keeping them at par, will solve the problem of malnutrition, and like it will improve the like childbearing of girls, and like that all that malnutrition that women were facing during pregnancy and all. And somewhere the scientific backing was that the cerebellum got developed, which is responsible for decision making, is get completely developed at the age of 20, in 20s. In so like at 21 we can take major life decisions maturely. But in some countries, there was a legal marriage age of 18, both for boys and girls. Somewhere down the line, I agree with that legal marriage age of 18, because it gives us more freedom to choose our partners at early age to get married. So if we talk about democracy, then if there is any law which is restricting you to like make love, or like which is restricting you to like legally get into like a relationship or something, so I think that legal marriages should be reduced, and it should be kept both at par, but at 18. And if we talk about the government, the lawmakers' argument that malnutrition is the thing, that's why they are raising the bar to 21. So in that regard, I think there should be other steps that should be taken by government, like government schemes or and other things. But extending the marriage age to 21 will not do the work. It's like it will solve the problem at just a smaller level. Another thing I want to discuss about is like why women are getting married earlier. So the thing about it, this is like they're mostly in rural areas, because the family can't uh, uh, afford to like feed all of their children, the poor families. So they call girls as a pariah dhan. And so like they make them married to at early age in 15 or so. So if it is the case, then I think extending the legal marriage age will increase only the like defaulters. So like earlier it was earlier, and there was another point that I want to put in, the major issue that I think that this issue should be like uh, at the top of it. Earlier, if anyone wants to get married to their lover, or like if he's in relationship, if he or she is in relationship, he wants to get married to that, so he can get married at 18 or 21. But now and law will provide protection to them. But now, since the legal marriage age for both men and women are 21, then the legal aid can't be provided, because uh, then the legal aid can't be provided, because like uh, we know that legal marriage age has been extended. And with that, I'm wrapping up.